Hello, it's Polly. I am back to talk about more of our sight words and how we're going to use them today. So let's see what's in our pink pocket, shall we? Oh my goodness, I see a little truck. It says I. Wonderful. We are going to use this one in our writing again today. And let's see what's in our red pocket, shall we? Let's see, red pocket. Ooh, here it comes, here it comes. Another car, and this one says, let's see, C. Very, very good. Now let's put this right here and let's look inside of our purple pocket, shall we? Let's see. Oh, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. And this one says A. Oh, those three sight words that we know. Let's do them again. Ready? I, C, A. We are going to use the same three sight words today, but today we will write a different sentence. Don't forget to use your 5-star writing. That's what good writers do. Remember, we use a green at the beginning for our capital. That means go. Remember, we use our finger spaces. Show me your finger. Then go back and check to make sure you did it correctly with your yellow. Then we use the stop sign, which is our red, and that is our punctuation, our periods. Don't forget to make sure that you use neat handwriting, yes, and make sure that your sentence makes sense. Now, Spitspot, go on. Ideo.
Wow, that's a really pretty picture, Mrs. Schmidt. Is that the one that you did with Zach yesterday?
Yeah, we did. I see a dog.
Oh, I love that picture.
Yeah, I actually added a little bit of detail. I added some sky and some grass, a little ball, and a sun.
Oh, I like the way your dog has polka dots. He's so funny. He's so cute.
Oh, thank you, Zoe. Well, today, the boys and girls are going to help us do another writing page.
Oh, good. I get to help today.
Yep, we're going to do another writing page, and the boys and girls have been doing their own writing, Zoe.
Really?
Yep, they've been doing their own writing. So what do we have ready for us today?
Well, we have to have a green.
Yep, I've got it.
And a yellow.
I've got it.
And a red.
I've got that too. All right, so boys and girls, you should have yours out also, and they should have their pencil.
Yep, the pencil's super important. But Mrs. Schmidt, you use the dark one so that I can see it.
Yeah, I'm going to use this one, but they're going to use their pencil.
Mrs. Schmidt, what are those cars over there?
Oh, these cars. These are the cars that have our sight words. Watch.
I went on the bumpy one on the middle. I.
That's right. Here comes the next one.
That one's a C.
That's right. And the last one.
A. I. C. A. Can you use the magic stuff? I'll read it again. I. C. A. Oh, we're going to make another sentence, Mrs. Schmidt.
That's right. Okay, I'm going to move these down just a little bit, Zoe. And we have 3 pictures that we are going to choose from today. Our first one, can you read that for us? What's that say?
That says bug. Bug. Like ladybug. It's a bug.
Yep. Okay, and the next one is this one right here. Can you read this one for me?
Sun. It's a sun.
That's right. And let's do the very last one. You can choose from this one too. What's this one say?
E. Tree. Look the 2 E's right here.
These right here?
Yeah, it's like the 2 E's over here on the C.
Oh, look at that. 2 E's together makes E sound. C, tree.
They rhyme.
That's right. Good job, Zoe. I'm glad you noticed that. Okay, Zoe, which one do you want to use in our writing today? Do you want to do I see a bug, I see a sun, or I see a tree? Which one?
The sun makes me feel happy, so let's do the sun today.
All right, let's move these off and we will do the sun. All right, now, Miss Polly Pocket reminded us that we have to use these colors here for some important things in our writing. Do you remember what the first one was?
Yes, I do remember. It was the green, which means go,
Okay.
and it means that it has to have a capital at the beginning, right here.
Okay, all right. So can I just put my I right here?
No, Mrs. Schmidt, you can start in the middle.
I can't? Well, what about over here?
No, Mrs. Schmidt, you can't start on the end. You have to start all the way over here.
Oh, yes, all the way over here.
Now, when you do the I, make sure you use a capital I. That means it's the beginning of a sentence. It means go.
Okay, so we'll put it right here.
Start at the top of the sky.
Okay,
Go down to the bottom of the grass.
all right. And then I'm going to cross the sky and I'm going to cross the grass.
Okay, now you can go ahead and you can use the green. So boys and girls, you can do your green too. So that means go. Fill it in with the green.
All right, here we go. Boys and girls, you can do this right along with me. I'm going to trace right over my eye like this. All right, that looks really good. And do you remember what Miss Polly said was next?
Yes. Finger space.
That's right. Finger space is going to go right there. And then, Zoe, what's going to come next?
The next sight word, which is C. Put that C in the middle, on the blue car.
All right. So we're going to do our finger space, and we're going to write C in there. So I'm going to do finger space, and then I'm going to copy that down. S. Under the bumpy road. E. Across, up, and around. Oh, another E. Across, up, and around. Okay. How does that look, Zoe?
That looks really good, Mrs. Schmidt. And you have your finger space right there. Don't fill it in yet. You can fill in the yellow when it's the end. But right now, I need another finger space because we're going to do the last purple car, the purple car.
Oh, yeah, we're going to put that word right over here, A. We don't want to put it here, right?
No, it would be smushed. You have to have a finger space.
Okay, so let's do a finger space, and then we will fill in the A, just like Zoe said. So finger space. Everybody put a finger space, and then we're going to do the purple car, which is A. And we're going to put that right in here, A, underneath the bumpy road. Don't go under the grass on that, remember. How does it look, Zoe?
Oh, it looks really, really good, Mrs. Schmidt. Now we have to put our last word, sun. So you want to put your finger space?
Right here?
Yeah, right there.
And then do we write this word right here?
Yeah, but then we write sun. Go do it.
All right. You sit right there, and I will put the finger space right here. And we're going to do sun. How do we spell sun, boys and girls? Help me spell it. S. Thank you. What's next? U. Thank you. I'm going to go under the bumpy line like this with my U. And then N. I'm going to come down here. Make a little belly that comes and stops right there. All right, look at that, sun. Okay, now, Zoe, what am I going to check next?
Well, Miss Polly Pocket tells us that we have to have finger spaces, and you do, but you have to fill them in with yellow.
Okay, so let's make sure we have our finger spaces in here. So we have I,
Finger space.
C,
Finger space.
A.
Finger space.
Funny, Zoe.
I know.
All right, so yep, let's count how many words we have. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4.
Yep, 4.
4 words. Now, we need something at the end. Miss Polly Pocket says we have to put a punctuation. Punctuation! Mr. Schmidt, our lights turned off again.
Okay, I will go turn them back on. Sometimes that happens in the middle of our lesson. All righty, so I am going to put my punctuation or my period, my little dot right there. That tells me that's the end of the sentence. What does that mean, Zoe?
It means stop.
Stop. Stop like that.
Oh, you need to do it red.
Yep, there we go. Red. All right, that's why we have our yellow, our green, and our red. We keep those right there. Okay, remember, Mr. Schmidt, don't make it too big. All right, right there. How's that look?
Pretty good. Looks pretty good.
All right, so we have our green capital at the beginning. That means
Go.
yep. We have our finger spaces in the middle of our words.
Yep, those are yellow.
Mm-hmm. And then we have our red period.
Punctuation.
Yep, we have punctuation, our red period at the end, which means
Stop.
yep, it means stop. Okay, so Zoe, we are ready to do our picture. So I'm going to move our little cars over here and we will do our pictures. And this means I can use any color that I want. And I think I'm actually just going to use an orange. I'm going to pull that out. And
Yeah, Mr. Schmidt, you made a mess with your crayons yesterday. Keep them nice and neat in your box.
okay, I'll leave them in the box today. Okay, so Zoe, I'm going to do a sun like this, and I'm going to just keep going around in circles like this. What do you think of that?
Oh, that looks super pretty. Can you do it with the orange too?
Yeah, I'm just going to go around and around and around like that, and then I'm going to make some little triangles that are kind of coming off. I can make like a tall one and then like a little one, tall one, little one. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty.
Okay, and then I can like color this in. I can do it yellow or orange or any color I want.
That is a pretty sun, Mrs. Schmidt.
Thank you. Now, you know what I want to do? I want you to notice something. I'm going to do this. This is going to be really cute. I'm actually going to give my son some glasses.
Oh, like sunglasses? That's a great idea.
So I am going to just make a little line right across like this. And then I'm going to make some little bellies, kind of like that, coming down. And I'm going to color those in. And then they look like sunglasses. Look at that. What do you think, Zoe?
I like it. Can you also make a happy face on there?
Okay, so I'm going to do like a like that little happy face like that. What do you think?
I love it.
All right, so maybe the boys and girls can do their own sun. They could add some sky in the background if they want to. I do mine on my side, nice and gentle, like this. They might want to go a little bit slower than me. They could add some grass or some flowers or whatever they want to do. They can just add some things. I might add some things after we say goodbye today. All right?
I love it. Okay, boys and girls, make sure you do neat writing. You forgot that part, Mr. Schmidt.
Oh, I forgot. We need to make sure that our writing is neat. We need to be checking that the whole time.
And if it makes sense, read it one more time.
All right, let's read it one more time and see if it makes sense. Ready? Zoe, you read it.
I see a sun. You do it faster now. You read faster than me.
Okay, ready? I see a sun. That makes sense because I do. I see a sun right up there.
Yeah, it's in the sky. It makes sense. Yeah, I see a sun.
Yep, it makes sense. Good job. All right.
Boys and girls, I am so proud of you. Make sure you clean up your crayons. Don't leave a mess over here like this one.
Okay, so yeah, boys and girls, make sure you clean up your crayons because it looks like I made a little bit of a mess today. Okay. All right, boys and girls, good job on your writing today.